Starting at the library. Off to the landfill we go. I think it's December the 28th. December the 28th. And it's about 60 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 16 C. I'm doing the landfill and the slot in a loop. So I'm going to head out to the landfill. Yep, it's the airport. Refuse disposal area. There we go. To the landfill. Oh look, they've done the roads. There's a bit of a wind getting up here. I have arrived at the landfill. So I'm just gonna take this little edge road, skirt round it. This road's pretty sandy, so the more jeeps and stuff that go up and down it, I think the more dug up it gets. But currently, it's kind of doable on 3-inch tyres. But beautiful and quiet, not too many cars. So the weather really is good. It's like in the 60s, 60 degrees C, and so far I'm like, 10 miles in or more than that. And I've only drank half a bottle, and in the summer, well, you'd be out of water by now. So yeah, December's a really good time to come and check out some of these trails. There is not one atom of sand here. Look at that, just rock road out in the middle of the desert. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm not sure if I go round or sort of through a little pass or something on these mountains. But I will say that on the other side of these hills is the road. Uphill in the sand stretch, so it's 2.5 miles at 3% grade, I think, which is, fine. But then it is kind of sandy, so it's uphill in the sand, which is always a challenge. But it's not quite as bad as Fish Creek. You don't want to go up. Don't go up Fish Creek. It's not good. Yeah, it's really dry. I think this is about as dry as it gets. Late December, and it hasn't rained yet. So I guess any day there will be serious downpour. And some of my previous attempts at doing this little ride, 3 previous attempts. First time I tried it was too hot. It was like 110 Fahrenheit. The second time I tried it, it was cold and windy, so I bailed. And I was trying to actually bike pack it those times as well. And then the last time I tried it and failed, it was cold, wet and windy. So yeah, getting the weather right in the desert's a big deal. So today the weather has been absolutely perfect. So yeah, very fun. I guess I've done about 15 miles of desert trails, and it's just awesome. Absolutely lovely. Just a short little half day out. Very good. Look, it's the fun bit. So there is a little piece of sort of mountain bikey stuff on this, where I guess lots of cars lose nuts and bolts and oil and stuff, and smell bad. So pushing. Okay. Right. Okay, so I kind of need to see off the top. Let's see what's off the top. Okay. That's definitely a grade. Let's say 20%. There's a big wash down there. Borrego Springs is back that way, at the foot of the mountains. So yeah, I'm doing the road back. Then over there, there's what's called wind caves, and the wind kind of hollows out the soft rock, and it's like cheese, and you end up with this sort of like big rock full of holes. And that's over there, and then there's Fish Creek over there. But yeah, it's lovely. It's quite warm now actually. Must be getting up to about 80. Oh, back on the route again here. Yep, that's the slot. That's the slot, which I'm not going to take a look at. So I just need to do a hard right down that road. I mean, this is the tourist trail, right? So, yep, I've done that. It was a while ago, but I did it. Really nice little bike ride, exactly what I wanted, but it's very weather dependent. I mean, as I say, I've tried this and failed on like 3 other occasions. But today it was really nice, very straightforward, but when you don't have the weather, oh my god, no, it is not straightforward, and I abandoned ship like 3 times. There you go, 4th time lucky. It was awesome, absolutely worth the wait. Just a nice little ride. I'm just gonna pedal it out, listening to some fine dub reggae. Endless little trails. Oh, shrine. Yeah. Now I gotta go up the other side. Wow, look, there's a school bus there. So many good times in the Anza Borrego. It's just so awesome. Look, it's an international dark sky community. Very seasonal. Back to the route. Look, and the route takes us past the sculptures. Almost back. It's like 2 miles back to the library at this point. I was just chilling and riding. Absolutely fantastic. Final numbers here. I think we're about 30 miles and 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours taking it really very easy. And then the actual desert part of it was, I don't know, about 15 miles. Hour and a half, 10 miles, hour and a half, something like that. Anyway, it's very nice. And I will pop into the library and see what books they've got. Okay, bye.